Convertible ThinkPad Yoga laptops give you the freedom to interact with the device in multiple ways to maintain productivity in various environments and situations. Laptop mode functions exactly the same as what you may be used to from regular ThinkPad laptops. Type with the keyboard and move the mouse cursor using the trackpad or track point. Stand mode is useful for watching videos on your lap or when you have limited space. Interact with the multi-touch screen using your fingers or a ThinkPad Pen Pro. Tent mode is suitable for giving a presentation when you don't have another screen available. Tablet mode is helpful for reading documents or browsing the internet. The ThinkPad Pen Pro can be used for more precision when interacting with the touchscreen in any mode. Use it to annotate a document, jot down some notes, or sketch an idea. The two small buttons on the side of the pen act as mouse buttons. The one closest to the tip of the pen is a normal click, and the button further up is a right click. These buttons come in handy when using the ThinkPad Pen Pro in place of a mouse or the trackpad. Convertible ThinkPad Yoga laptops give you the flexibility to adapt to whatever working situation you may find yourself in.